this bathroom looks like. Shh. But that's not your problem. Not anymore. You don't have to clean or do anything right now. Remember campouts? We're going to leave behind the noise and stress of man-made structures and come join me at this fire. With each breath, let go of tension. You are like this bird stillness. How simple it is to just be. I mean, close your eyes, but be a bird. Look around. Be a bird. Focus on your breath. In and out. Focus on your breath. Breathe in. With each inhale, draw in the calm of this space. And with each exhale, release draw in the calm anything you no longer need. Release anything you no longer need. Feel the weight of the world fade as you breathe out. Your world is it's where and what. And let go of everything that no longer serves you. And you can go very nearly anywhere. Anywhere. You can visit these bathrooms. And if you need to go, all you have to do is knock on Brenda's door and ask her if you can use hers. There's a bathroom for you. Exhale. Feel the weight of the world fade as you breathe out. The weight of the world is fading as you breathe out. That no longer serves you. You are in this moment. Are you comfortable? We want to find the well of hope and prosperity that uncomfortable near your center position. Near the pineal gland, I think. Let's channel that. Settle into your bones. Close your eyes. See what I mean? That's the sound of you finding your inner peace. Inhale. We're almost there. And exhale. With each breath, let go of the tension. You are one with the universe. Your world is where and what you want it to be. You are one with the universe. You can do anything. Close your eyes. And you can go very nearly anywhere. Close your eyes. I think you did it. There you are. One last deep breath in. Keep breathing.